Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Easy Talk. We're really happy you're joining us today. In this episode, we want to talk about how to learn English in a simple, effective, and enjoyable way. Many learners feel confused or tired when learning English, but don't worry, you are not alone.
That's right. English may seem difficult at first, but with the right mindset and methods, anyone can learn it. Today we'll guide you step by step. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning with us.
Learning English is not just about studying a language. It's about opening new doors in your life. English helps you get better jobs, study abroad, and travel confidently. It also helps you communicate with people from different countries.
Exactly. When you learn English, the world becomes bigger. You can watch movies, read books, and understand global news. So learning English is an investment in your future.
Let's start with motivation, which is very important. Ask yourself one simple question. Why do I want to learn English?
Your reason could be work, education, travel, or personal growth. When your reason is clear, you feel stronger. Motivation helps you continue even when learning feels hard. Write your reason down and read it often.
Many learners give up because they expect fast results. But learning a language takes time.
Yes, patience is key. You won't speak fluently in 1 month, and that's okay. Progress is slow but steady. Every small step matters.
One big mistake is trying to be perfect. Learners often stop speaking because they fear mistakes.
But mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake helps you improve. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So speak without fear.
Setting small goals is very helpful. Big goals can feel scary.
Instead of saying, I will learn English perfectly, say, I will learn 5 new words today. Small goals build confidence. Confidence keeps you going.
Practice is more important than theory. Studying grammar alone is not enough.
You must use English. Speak, listen, read, and write every day. Real practice creates real progress. English is a skill, not just knowledge.
Listening is one of the most important skills, but many learners ignore it.
Try to listen to English daily. Podcasts, songs, news, or videos are great. At first, you won't understand everything. That's normal. Don't stop.
Listening helps your speaking. Your ears learn the rhythm of English.
Over time, words become clearer. Your pronunciation improves naturally. Listening trains your brain. Consistency is the secret.
Reading is another powerful tool. It helps you learn vocabulary and grammar together.
Start with easy texts. Children's books or short articles are perfect. Don't rush. Enjoy reading. Guess meanings before using a dictionary.
Writing helps you think in English. It organizes your thoughts.
Write short daily notes or a journal. Mistakes are okay. Writing builds confidence and accuracy. Practice makes writing easier.
Speaking is the hardest skill for many learners. Fear stops progress.
Speak anyway, even with mistakes. Talk to friends, teachers, or yourself. Record your voice and listen. Speaking brings fluency.
Pronunciation is important for clear communication. You don't need a perfect accent.
Clarity matters more than accent. Listen and repeat after native speakers. Practice difficult sounds slowly. Improvement comes with time.
Create a daily routine for learning. Routine builds habits.
Study a little every day. Even 30 minutes is enough. Consistency beats long, irregular study. Make English part of your life.
Vocabulary is the foundation of language. Words give you power.
Learn words by topics. Use flashcards or apps. Use new words in sentences. Review them regularly.
Grammar is important, but don't let it scare you. Learn step by step.
Focus on basic tenses first. Practice grammar in real sentences. Balance grammar with speaking and listening. Grammar supports communication.
Movies and TV shows are fun learning tools. Choose what you enjoy.
Use subtitles at first, then try without subtitles. Notice expressions and pronunciation. Learning should be enjoyable.
Immersion speeds up learning. Surround yourself with English.
Change your phone language. Think in English. Listen to English daily. Immersion creates progress.
Making English-speaking friends helps a lot. Practice becomes natural.
Friends correct you gently. You learn slang and culture. Language becomes real. Learning feels easier.
Technology is a powerful helper. Use it wisely.
Apps, YouTube, and online classes are useful. Practice anytime, anywhere. Technology supports learning. Balance it with real practice.
Joining a class gives structure. Teachers guide you.
Classes give feedback and confidence. Online or offline, both work. Choose what fits you. Guidance saves time.
Review is often forgotten, but it's very important.
Review helps memory. Weekly review is powerful. Use quizzes or summaries. Revision prevents forgetting.
Set realistic goals. Clear goals guide learning.
Break big goals into small steps. Track your progress. Celebrate success. Goals keep motivation strong.
Be patient with yourself. Learning English is a journey.
Everyone learns at a different speed. Mistakes are normal. Progress takes time. Never give up.
Thank you for listening to English Easy Talk. We hope this episode helped you.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and believe in yourself. English is possible for everyone.